multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. In last class, welcome to my new session. In last class, we discussed activity 1, number 1 and number 2. 1 and 2 was finished. Now number 3. Raja saves rupees 3,825 every month. How much money will he save in 38 months? So, if given for one data and if asking for more data, more months, then it will be multiplied. So, given for one month 3,825, but asking for 38 months. Given 1 month but asking 38 months. So that's why this is called multiplication. If given for 10 months but asking 1 month, then it will be division. So given for 1 month but asking for 38 months. So this is called multiplication. See number 3. Raja saves 3,825 every month. So Raja saves in 1 month. Raja saves in 1 month rupees 3,825. See, given in 1 month is rupees 3,825, but asking for 38 months. So it means multiplication. So how much money will he save in 38 months? So he will save in 38 months. He will save money in 38 months. So he will save in 38 months is rupees 3,825 into 30. So if we multiply this, Raja saves in 1 month rupees 3,835. He will save in 38 months is, so side work 3,825 into 38. Just multiply simply. 8 into 5, 40. 40 once is 0. 1 position is 0. So 0 is coming. So 4 is left. But 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So again, one's position is 0. So 0 is coming. 2 left. 40 is going. Finished. 8 into 8, 64. 64 plus 2, 66. 66 one's digit is 6. So 6 is coming. 6 is left. And 20 is finished. Now 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 66 is finished. 30. Whole 30 is coming because here no digits are there. So 30 is coming. Next, for 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. 30 is finished. Next, 15. 15, one's digit is 5. So 5 is coming. 1 is left. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 0, 7. So 7 is coming. 0 is left. 15 is finished. 3 into 8, 24. 24 plus 0, 24. 7 is finished. 1 digit is 4. 4 is coming. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 24 is finished. 11s, whole 11s are coming. Go because here no digits are there. So whole 11s are coming. So 11 is finished. Now add this 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1 gone, 1 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. Class. Boy, next, আজি গধূলি ফোন কৰা নমো কালি কি জনাম ঠিক আছে Next, number 4. Each box has 424 picked apples. How many apples will be there in 285 such boxes? Each boxes given in one box is 424 apples. How much apple will be there in 285 such boxes? You have to find for 285 boxes. So if given in one box is given, but asking more boxes, then you have to multiply. So 424 into 285, you multiply, then you will get the answer. Next, number 5. Number 4 is your homework. Number 5, the weight of 24 boxes is 4,776 kg. Find the weight in box. See, given for 24 boxes, but asking for one boxes. But if asking for one boxes, sorry. But given for one boxes, but asking 24 boxes, then you get multiply. But here is given 24 boxes, but asking one boxes, so you divide this. Number 5. The weight of 24 box. The weight of 24 boxes is 4,776 kg. Weight of each box. Each means one box. Is what will come? Divide. 4,776 divided by 24. So 4,776 divided by 24. 24 into 24, 24 into 2, 48. But here 1, 24. 2, 3, 7. So 2, 3, 7. So 2, 3, 7 divided by 24, 9 times. 24 into 9, 216. So 1, 2, here 6, again 9. So 199, 24 into 199, yes. 216, 007. So answer is 199.